This video demonstrates how to import SDK6 project for SmartBond device in eSquare First, download the SDK for DA1453X devices. Please scan this QR code, or go to the download page from the Renesas website. Log into my Renesas account. To download the SDK package, select the Quick Link SDK version for DA, device name, or scroll down to the software download section. Extract the SDK package. Launch eSquare Studio from the Start menu. Use the default workspace shown in the eSquare Studio Startup dialog, or click Browse to select a workspace. Install and integrate the toolchain before importing the SDK projects. µVision installation is needed if the project requires the µVision toolchain. Click File, Import to open the Import Wizard dialog. Select Dialog SDK Project and click Next. This warning message may appear if SDK root directory is incorrect. Browse to the SDK root, which contains config and project subdirectories. A list of example projects will be shown in the Projects pane. Select Prox Reporter project to be imported and click Next. Specify target device. Click Finish. The Prox Reporter project is imported into eSquare Studio. Build the project. Project is built successfully. The next video explains how to set up the build option, debug option, and more. Please continue watching.